Alright guys, I would love to say it's a new day, but it's not. It's actually the same day. Hang on, let me unplug my battery charger. Alright, it's better. Is it gonna go off? Yeah, it went off. Anyways, we have the Jezebel logo done. I'm just feeling a lot better now. I got shit done. That looks pretty cool in my opinion. Not as cool as I wanted it to end up looking, but pretty sweet all the same. That I made that out of a bunch of crap. You know, there's my workstation still all dirty and messy. Well, I got Jezebel fired up, pulled around. Oh yeah. There's Dad's car. There's a video coming on that, I promise. We're gonna get to work because we are gonna start hogging out this headlight bucket. And we're gonna be using a lot of real estate, and a lot of these fins have got to go. Let's get to work. What do you want to show everybody?
Well, I guess we'll show them your grill you've been working on.
Yeah. Out here in the heat, yeah. Can't wait till the hottest part of the day to come out here and work on shit.
Cool.
Well, That's a grill.
What good is it?
I don't know. It hides your shit.
No.
Except for that door's up for some reason. You want to lower that door?
It's like a peekaboo door.
It's a peekaboo door.
How you get a hold of it?
You just grab a hold of it and you yank it down.
Oh.
What's that right there?
It's like a jester.
A jest? What?
Clowns to the left of me and jokers to the right.
I don't know what you're talking about. I don't think you can read. We just got our eyes checked. What the hell? That says Jezebel, not Jester.
It's a Jezebel.
What do you think of that, Dad?
It's pretty cool. That's pretty original.
Original. Yeah. Original idea, maybe. We got a stud behind the Z. And this E and that L both have the factory pins on it. It's all in there now.
What'd them all come off of?
The J and E here are from a Javelin. This E is from a Century. This BEL is from a Sabre, and the Z is from a Z28 Camaro, like 1970, I believe. And when I got it, it already had the gold flake in it, so I just left it
How
like
you
that.
get BELs from a Sabre?
It's LESA.
Well, you get the BE, and then you cut the L off and put it on the back.
All the letters got cut free completely. It's just the E from Century works better next to the J and the Z. Just the way it worked. But I'm pretty happy with it. I mean, I can't go back now because I cut the shit out of that headlight door.
And you glued everything on.
Yeah, it's also been epoxied on, so it ain't coming out. Had to weather it a little bit because it looked way too shiny with that clear resin on there.
Back here, it almost looks like you got a Z28 Charger.
Yeah, I mean, that Z really stands out. I don't know if the camera's going to show that. It's kind of bad. Oh, well, I'm pretty happy with it. You like it, Dad?
I like it.
Can we do one for your car?
No.
Okay, I didn't want to anyways.
No.
Never again.
I got plenty of badges.
You do have plenty of badges.
And what was it? What was my name I had for him?
Not Virgil.
I could put Virgil up there.
Not Virgil. Not Virgil. Anyways, that's the end of this long-ass video. Two-parter. You want to end it, Dad, for everybody?
It's hot.
It's hot?
Bye-bye.
Okay.
Bye-bye.